Alright, here's an update on my tank. Wanted to do the video a little later once all this algae is kind of under control, but I think now is okay. So what I've done was I think on my last video I showed you some snails that I've gotten, and I went ahead and ordered more. Right now, due to shipping errors, like always, I ended up with an excess amount of snails. I have a total of about 100 snails right now in the main display, and I realize that might be too much later on, you know, because they might starve and whatnot. So once all this is under control, I think I might take some out, bring it down to maybe 70, and donate them to the local fish store. So right now I have several types of snails. I have Margarita snails. Those are right there. Back there. I like those snails. They're real nice. They're nice and pink. Haven't had an issue with them flipping over quite yet. Also some Cerith snails. Right under them you can see this hermit crab. It's zebra striped or something like that. Hermit crabs. They have white stripes on their legs. Of course, the Astrea snails. Those guys. Let's see if I could find some Nassarius snails. There's one. There's another hermit hanging out. What else? I got a scarlet reef crab there. And again, I got one before, and then I decided to get another one or two more, and they jacked up the order, so they ended up getting me 3 more. So I have a total of 4 scarlet reef crabs in here. And again, I realized that might be too much, and later once all this algae is under control, I'll probably give some away. I got me the turbo, Mexican turbo over there. He's not doing much, he's just sucking on non-algae rock. I might move him. He was over here and he was doing real well. All this whole rock here was covered in that, and he cleaned up pretty good. I wish he was back over here. Also, I have, if I could find it, yeah, there it is. I guess that's a zebra striped snail. It's a type of turbo snail. Again, I asked for turbos and they got me these. What I really wanted was a Mexican turbo. There's only 2 of them, 2 of these right here. So I got 2 of these type of turbos and then 1 Mexican turbo. But they're doing pretty good. What else have I done? I went through Indo-Pacific Sea Farms and got their worm packages and whatnot. I got some, they call it Mamma Mia worms, and some baby bristle worms, and they're in here somewhere. I'm not sure where. I've seen them earlier, but so hopefully they multiply and hook up my sand bed. Also, I got some copepods that I got from them, and they were in here. You could see them. The adult ones, I guess they like to hide in the rocks, so I'm not sure where they're at now. Also, I got their version of mud, which had, a bunch of amphipods and copepods, little baby stuff in there, worms and whatnot. So I just kind of mixed it in with the sand over here in the sump. And again here, I think I have 40 snails in the sump right here in the Refugium. And so they're doing good. The ketomorpha here, it's growing. It was just a handful, and now it's like 2 handfuls. So that's cool. I did I think it was like maybe 75% water change, or I think 50 to 75, and it cleared up a lot. I mean, the water is very clear now. While I was siphoning out the water, I took advantage and try to siphon out all the junk that was on the return area over here. And yeah, water is very clear. My parameters are pretty good. I need to go up on alkalinity and calcium, so I'll be dosing the B-ionic daily. My nitrites and nitrates of course are 0, ammonia 0. My nitrates they're non-detectable right now, but it might be a false reading because of all this algae. My phosphates are in the same boat as well. I can't detect them, but again, I think it's because of the algae. But algae has definitely receded some, and I'm happy about that. And I'm just gonna take it easy and wait till it's all gone, pretty much. Well, maybe not all of it, but And at that point, I'll go ahead and get a couple fish. I have my eye on a lawnmower blenny, but I don't think I'll get it if this keeps going the way it's going. There isn't gonna be much algae, and I might starve the blenny. So if anyone can tell me what that is, these little green worm looking things, I don't know what it is. It's bright green. I don't think the camera shows that too well. It just keeps growing like lengthwise. It's not bothering anything. I just don't know what it is. If anyone has any ideas of what it could be. And also some furry deals there. Not sure what that is either. I'm guessing some type of sponge. I don't know. But yeah. Alright. If you have any comments, suggestions, whatever, let me know. See ya.